going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. How you guys doing today? So we are back with another episode, and today we got the homie James.
What's up?
And we got Jeffrey in the house.
Yo.
So today, guys, we're going to continue to work on the hatch, and I believe this is the last thing that we need to do to get this thing started. So for today's episode, we're going to be installing the Magnafuel relay, and I got the dual relay. And just a quick rundown on how to wire this. So you got two orange wires. This is your signal. This is what tells the relay to turn on. And you have your two red wires here, and that's going to be the power that goes straight to the battery. And then these other two blue cables right here go straight to the fuel pump, and that's the power for the fuel pump. So that's all we have to do. And I already went ahead and ran all the cables, so I'll go ahead and show you how I did that as well. So this first one here is going to be the power. This goes straight to the fuel pump. So that runs down right through here. Comes out right through there, straight to the fuel pump. And then this is the ground for the fuel pump. So it's all grounded and everything. And then we have the two power wires, and I ran that straight along the side of the car. So it goes underneath here, runs down straight through the firewall. And then it comes out through the firewall. And then I installed two fuses here, and I'm going to be running some 25 amp fuses, and that runs straight to the battery. So that is the power for the fuel pump. And then we also have, this is going to be the signal, and this is from the factory fuel pump wire harness. So this is what plugs into your factory fuel pump. It has two wires. It's usually a yellow one and a black one. So we tapped the yellow one and we ran our signal wire, and that comes out through here. So we have all our wires. We have our signal wire, we have our power wire to our fuel pump, and this is the power wire that comes from the battery. So I'm going to let James run this fuel pump relay, and he's going to be installing it today.
I'm going to bestow the privilege upon me to wire this relay, right?
Yeah, so if the car doesn't start, we blame James.
That's the reason it starts.
So yeah, if it starts, it's because of you, and if it doesn't start, it's because of you as well. And yeah, man, let's get it. So we're just gonna wire this up, and I'm also gonna put it right here inside of where my speaker goes. So that way, if I ever need to mess with my relay or anything, I can just remove the speaker and I'll be able to access my relay. So yeah, let's get it.
All right, so we are going to be using these heat shrink solder things. They work really well, man. They have no resistance when you're done with them. It connects two wires and they're good. The only thing I don't like about them is that they're ugly. So we're gonna put this on the wire as well as this. That way, after this is all melted down and makes the connection, go over it with that, and then it doesn't look like crap. So yeah, it also just simplifies it. On all the wires that have to go 3 to 1, we'll be using we'll actually be soldering them and then heat shrinking them kind of together to make them look nice at the union. So yeah, let's just do this real quick.
So the first two wires that we're going to wire up is going to be the two red, and that's going to be straight power straight to the battery.
Hold this together. Probably helps.
Okay, let me see if I can get in the car and record you.
We switched to some slightly larger ones. I didn't like how the other ones were going together. And then just kind of wait for it to not be melted plastic. And then we're gonna try to slip the the other heat shrink that we have over it. Hopefully it's not too small. And boom, it no longer looks like shit. And it was way faster than actually soldering it.
So you got one more there with the easy thing, and then you got to solder. All right, you got two more wires left, man. These two go together, and these two go together.
Signal, right? You said
orange is signal. Nah, the red was signal. Orange is signal. Oh, and the other thing, guys, it had the two grounds on this little thing attached to it. I just took them off, and I'm just gonna directly run it straight to.
Yeah, it didn't really seem to transfer any power through this thing. So even when we scuffed up the back a little bit, so it's probably something that's not really conductive.
And if it is, I mean, I don't know. We're just gonna do it this way.
All right, for the next one, we're gonna wire up the signal to the orange, which is two going into one. So the way I think I'm about to do it is I'm gonna put the heat shrink for this on here, then we'll put the heat shrink for this on here with a big piece of heat shrink on both of them. That way I can solder these three wires together, technically into one. We're just gonna twist these two together. All right, now we're just I'm gonna grab it from the bottom. And then you just kinda, I really wish we had a better way to do this.
I mean, it'll fall right in the box, bro. All right, guys, and this is soldered. We did the best we could with this cheap ass soldering tool that we have. And this guy's trying to clean it to make it get hotter, I guess.
It doesn't get hot at all. As soon as anything touches this, it like loses all of its heat.
But all we're gonna do now is just slide up the sleeve and
trying to burn the whole car down with this damn soldering iron.
all right, so we got our power ran, that's our switch, and all we have to do now is just run the power straight to the pump, and that's gonna be the two blue wires. So we got one more thing to install, and that's it. And we got power, baby. We got power.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna power up this last cable straight to the fuel pump.
Alright, so we're gonna run the grounds to right there, that little spot we cleared off. And then we're gonna bolt the relay up a little further back. I mean, it's not like a major ground, it's just a ground for the signal, so.
All right, we golden, right?
Yeah. These ain't wiggling around. Should be all right. Look at us, guys. We did a thing. It's in there. This man gonna have a whole 12-minute clip. He's gonna hate me.
All right, guys, and we are done. So we got the ground right there. We got the relay ran, and we tucked that in. And you won't even see it once I put my speaker on. Let's see. Let's make sure that the speaker still fits. And just like that, guys. And if I need to access the relay, a couple screws, and bam, relay's right there. So guys, we're all done. Got that all set up. So all that's left now is just put some E85. I would prime it, but there's no E85 right now in the fuel cell, so I don't want to burn up my pump. So the anticipation is real. This guy wants to go and get E85 right now. I kind of don't, because it's really cold, and Jeffrey just left, so I want him to be a part of this as well. But as far as I'm concerned, this thing's ready to start.
Yeah.
We ready, son. So guys, let me know in the comments how you guys want me to do the startup. I can make a video like normal, and I can also go on live, and we could do it like that as well. So just let me know, man. Appreciate all you guys for watching. Hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what you guys think.